The Business of Advertising and Marketing, or as we call it, BAM, is a series of programs on Business Day in which we unpack the absolute roller coaster on which advertising and marketing industry leaders find themselves. Not since the day of the invention of the printed word has the principles of getting your brand and message out has there been so much disruption as during the technological revolution of especially the last 10 years. Today, the landscape is seemingly dominated by views. Trends like social media, influencers, and content creators, and technology like artificial intelligence, they dominate. But is it all noise? And what happens to the exciting marketing plans when the dust has settled? That's the right balance between the old and the new everyone's looking for. Traditional platforms versus digital amplification. Winning the hearts and minds of audiences. Is the one who wins the screen wars also the one who wins the battle of the eyeballs? That's what we talk about on BAM, the Business of Advertising and Marketing, only on Business Day.